Hey everyone, welcome to Online Education Academy ZA. So for today we'll be continuing on the tutorial of exception handling in C++. If you've watched my previous lesson, you will understand what exception handling is, the basics of exception handling. So for today we'll be continuing on the video that I made yesterday about exception handling. So today we want to quickly run the code. This was the code that we wrote. Int x, y, z. We have three sets of integers, x, y, z. So we need to assign values to x, y, and z. So x is equals to 12, y is equals to 0, z, then this z, it's an empty space that stores the answer of z is equals to x divided by y. And any number that you divide by 0 gives you an error. So in programming, if it gives you an error, it causes the program to crash. It just crashes. It stops working. So we don't want our code to do that. So if I try to run this, to build this, it's fine. Build, finish, 0 errors, 0 warning. So everything is fine. But however, when I run this code, the code's executed, run, process returned. It executes, but then it will crash. After some time, it crashes. Okay, crash program. Bongani.exe has recently crashed. So this is what happens. It crashes because of that, because we divided by 0 on our program. So now it causes it to crash. It's a syntax error. So when there's an error, it causes it to crash. But then we want our code to run, right? So we know that when we output this on screen, when we output z, it's x divided by y. It causes the program to crash. So we need to put to cut this line of code. Yes. We need to cut this, Control X to cut. Then we will paste this thing in the try block. Here in the try block, we can place this thing. After the if statement. So when it's here, now the program will start executing. We will say int x, y, and z. X is equals to 12, y is equals to 0. Okay, what must happen now? So it is, and then execute try if y is double equals to 0. Okay, if y is equals to 0, we use a double equal sign to compare in C++, and then we throw error occurred that caused the program to crash, right? Why did the program crash? Z is because z is equals to x divided by y. It's equals to this one divided by this one. And if you divide by 0, the program crashes. Then it's just going to output z. So if it crashes, it's going to output this code. And then it will catch this error, right, on the catch block. So we are catching the error, the exception. So we're catching constant character. We use constant character because we use characters here. Alright, we cannot store this code in one character because it's a string of characters. So we'll use a constant character. We'll name it except for exception. Right? Constant character exception. So it's going to output error in the program, then inline. So now if we try to run this one, it should output error in the program, and then the exception, it should fetch this exception. What causes the program? Error occurred, and that caused the program to crash. It will tell the user this. Then let's run it now. It says error in the program, error occurred that caused the program to crash. Now our code runs fine, right? It checks and then if it finds the error, now it displays the program to us. That's how exception handling works, and it's quite useful when you're dealing with values that might causes the program to crash. So you're able to catch that, and then instead of crashing the entire program, now you'll display that the program has an error. Thank you very much. That's the use of exceptions, the try and catch in C++. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like my video and if you're getting value from it, and if you feel that you are learning from my channel, you can continue to subscribe on Online Education Academy ZA. So, and let me know what videos do you want me to make for you, so that I can make them for you in future.